upper 40s. Lows in the upper 30s. This may result in chance of rain. Use extra caution when driving, especially if the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, northeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Damascus, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Olney, Pikesville, Historic Ellicott City, Keatonsville, Woodlawn, Reynoldstown, Owings Mills, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Reisterstown, Lockern, Arbutus, Redland, Sickesville, Oakland, Ilchester, Garrison, and Highland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, and Howard. The following is a non